Welcome to yet another Flash challenge. This time I thought we'd paint a parrot together. Draw your own design or choose an already existing one. More information about the Flash challenge is available on my Instagram at SoberJoeCollective. Don't know if you've seen my video about how to line up your flash using nibs, but as I mentioned there, I've recently switched from markers to nibs. I find this very satisfying, but it's far from easy. But who doesn't like a challenge, right? While I'm lining up this design, I thought I'd share something very exciting with you. At least I think it is. I will start doing short interviews with talented flash painters and publish it on my Instagram. So make sure to stay tuned for more information about it. As I'm shooting multiple paintings at the same time, I screwed up and added the stain on this one before I added the black. In my opinion, adding the stain afterward gives me a better end result. As we usually say in Sweden, there's no point in crying over spilled milk, so let's continue. It's time to spit shade this parrot. If this is the first time watching my channel and don't know much about this spit shading technique, I have a great video showing you step by step how you can learn it. This is where another screw up arises. I didn't clean the brush thoroughly, so I got black leftovers on my jello. No time to lose. A clean brush and a bit of paper thankfully fixed the mess. Look how pretty the beak is now. One of my cameras is having a hard time showing the correct color of my newly found green. It seems that none of the other colors are affected. I have to address this problem in the future if I decide to keep using this color. This is how it's supposed to look. Thank you for watching, and I hope you can participate in this flash challenge. You'll find more information about it over on my Instagram at SoberJoeCollective. Until next time.